Hey guy, welcome to Inventor Facebook. We're going to talk about chart patterns episode 2 today. And we're going to consider the broadening bottom, the continuation of our last episode. So I want you to be more attentive so that you can get it very well. So it will be an edge for you in the year 2024 in order to trade very well. I had some people saying that don't follow, don't trade chart pattern, it is this, it is that. My friend, don't let people deceive you. It's part of the chart that's trading in the market today. Why people studying, why people do know more about chart pattern is because they don't have knowledge about it. That is why they are failing in their forecast with the chart pattern. If you know chart patterns very well, it is very easy to forecast the future of the market. So I want you to sit down, listen very well. You can play it again and again and again until you get it. So that is why I'm presenting the episode 2 of broadening bottom to you. So let's go. To compute broadening bottom, we are going to compute its height. Today I'm going to show you how to compute it, how to calculate and measure what will be the forecast. How is it going to move? If it's going to move in bullish way, how many pips are you expecting? So we'll teach you that today. So I want you to watch as I'm showing you all this. So compute its height and divide the difference by the breakout price. I'm going to show you more details how to compute the height of broadening bottom. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when the video is uploaded. Looking at the height and weight combination, tall and narrow patterns outperform the combinations. Meanwhile, you need to avoid short and wide patterns because they perform worst. Like I earlier said, to measure, you have to follow some rules. The first plan is to determine how much money you are likely to make in a trade. Like I earlier said, some people that are campaigning that chart pattern is not good for forecast, they did not know anything about chart pattern. I said it again. Chart pattern is still one of the best methods you can follow on your technical analysis. The measure rules help with the predictions. Once you know how to measure the broadening bottom, it will help you to predict whether you're going to get more pips or less. So this will determine your risk and reward basis. So if the reward is higher than the risk, you go for it. But if the risk is higher than the reward, you desist. You didn't go for the trade. So you have to make sure that you measure it right. So when you measure it and you discover that there's more pips to cash on the trade, you go for it. But when you measure and you discover that the risk is higher, you did not go for it. So how do you measure? One, you subtract the highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation height. I will show you in the practical now. Just give me some time, I will show you in the practical. Subtract the highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation height. Again, subtract the highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation height. You are going to get the formation height. And to get the formation height, you have to first of all minus the lowest from the highest. Subtract highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation high. Then again, you will now add the value to the highest high to get the target price for upward breakout. We're talking about upward breakout now. How do you predict the movement? How many people is going to give you? This is the way you do it. You subtract the highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation height, then add the value to the highest height to get the target price for upward outbreak. Then again, for downward outbreak, you do it like this. You subtract the highest from the lowest low. You will subtract the highest from the lowest low. Then after that, value, then measure complete difference between the highest high and the lowest low in the formation. Add or subtract the value from the most recent minor high or low respectively. The result is the target price for upward and downward breakout. So like I earlier said, you will subtract the highest high from the lowest low in the formation to give you the formation high. Then add the value to the highest high to get the target price for upward. But for downward, you will minus it. You minus it. You remove it. You removed from the it. It's not that you had. I will show you the practical way to do it now. So let's go for the practical so that you know it better. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that as soon as I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Love you. Thank you very much.